Hello, and welcome to the latest in automotive news. Today, we bring you an exciting development in the electric vehicle sector as LG Energy Solution and Honda reach a significant milestone. Leap Day marks a leap forward for the joint venture between LG Energy Solution and Honda, as they complete the construction of the structural steel beam at their new EV battery production facility near Jeffersonville, Ohio. This achievement comes almost a year after the groundbreaking ceremony for this colossal facility, which spans over 2 million square feet. The completion is expected by the end of 2024, with a projected overall investment of $4.4 billion and the creation of approximately 2,200 new jobs. This joint venture is poised to make a significant impact on the region's economy. The primary goal is to commence mass production of pouch-type lithium-ion batteries by 2025. These batteries will then be supplied to Honda's auto plants for the production of electric vehicles to be sold in North America. Bob Lee, CEO of the LG Energy Solution Honda joint venture, expressed his enthusiasm for this achievement. Bob Lee: Today is an important milestone for the LG Energy Solution Honda team as the structure of the EV battery production facility takes its final shape. 1 year ago, we were breaking ground in an empty field, and today we can see the finish line for this project. Alongside the construction progress, the joint venture is actively hiring for various positions. Engineering and support roles are currently available, with announcements for technician and production roles expected in the coming months. Rick Riggle, COO of the new joint venture company, emphasizes the significance of assembling a skilled team. Rick Riggle: This is a very exciting moment as we take the first steps to assemble our new team for the joint venture EV battery facility. We will continue to announce new career opportunities in the coming months. As the automotive industry embraces the future of electric mobility, this collaboration between LG Energy Solution and Honda marks a step towards sustainable and innovative transportation. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking venture.